Good day everyone, my name is Dhatta and I'm recording this video to fulfill the assignment of speaking for academic purposes class. I'm going to act as the adjudicator of NUDC 2020 Open Grand Final. Here are the results of the adjudication. As you can see, here are the ranks and the scores for each team. The first place goes to the closing government, the second place goes to the closing opposition, the third place goes to the opening opposition, and the fourth place goes to the opening government. And now, let's go to the next debate assessment. Let me explain the reasons of the ranking. So, the first place goes to the closing government because first, closing government successfully reviewed the opening opposition's argument about prioritizing the urban area by explaining how excellent entrepreneurial in the rural area can be. Second, closing government rectified opening opposition's argument about Indonesian people characteristics by explaining it even further. Third, closing government explained how the opposition have failed because they only see the urban areas as the only helping hand for the country. Fourth, closing government refuted opening opposition's argument about digitalized urban area by telling that opening opposition did not provide a deeper analysis. And the last reason is closing government refuted opening government's argument about turning rural area into labor farmer by offering a more logical solution. The second place goes to the closing opposition, and here are the reasons. First, closing opposition refuted opening government's argument about how rural people are vulnerable and disenfranchised individuals by giving logical analysis. Second, closing opposition could give some factual data about coronavirus transmission rates. Third, closing opposition also gave logical arguments why agricultural sectors are not stable. And last, closing opposition could fill opening opposition's lack of mechanization and refuted opening government's claim about vulnerability in the same time. The third place goes to the opening opposition, and the reasons are because first, opening opposition successfully refuted opening government's argument about social cohesion and proved that it is untrue by explaining a deeper analysis. Second, opening opposition could contextualize what kind of condition after the coronavirus and explain about people in rural area. And the third reason is opening opposition also bring some factual examples and realistic data which strengthen their arguments. And the last place goes to the closing government because first, opening government set up the debate by defining the motion of the debate. Second, opening government successfully stated the reason why agriculture is an easy, safe and important sector in order to revive the finance on post-COVID-19. However, opening government unsuccessfully provide factual examples and they have lack of elaboration. Thank you.